Hello guys, it's me Max, and you are watching AB Kitchen. Today's tasty recipe is fluffy vanilla cake, and we will be showing you the easiest way to make it. For this cake, we need 5 eggs in fridge temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 cup and a half sugar, we will mix it on the first speed on our mixer. After 2 minutes, we will increase the speed of our mixer on the highest speed. We will keep mixing it for 5 minutes. As you see, our mixture has become double the size and the color of it has changed. We will put the mixer on the first speed and we'll add 1 cup of oil, but gradually. We will also add 1 cup of milk gradually. Now we have 2 cups of flour mixed with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, First, we will mix with a spatula, then we will mix with the mixer on the first speed. We will get an oven pan that is 25 centimeters and we will spread on it flour and butter, and then we will bake it. We will put it in a heat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It will take 40 to 45 minutes in the oven. This is how our cake turned out, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.